morning, my beautiful Nicolettes. Not gonna lie, I have been slacking a little bit when it comes to my fitness and I really wanna get back on track, and I thought what not better to do than to vlog my journey, and you guys can kind of come along with me if you're someone who wants to get fit and get more healthier. I'm gonna share with you quick and easy meal ideas, and I just recently made a big order which I'll share with you guys in my kitchen downstairs. But yeah, so it is currently morning and it is Monday morning. So, you know, whenever you want to start something, Monday is always the day. No excuses anymore. We're gonna do this. We're gonna get fit together. We'll see how this goes. Thumbs it up if you guys like this video and want me to do more. But I am getting really hungry, so let's head downstairs for some breakfast. As you guys can tell, I made a huge order on the matchareserve.com. I just picked up some chia seeds, some organic chaga powder, I believe that's how you say it. It's a mushroom-based superfood, and then I just have some collagen powder, and all of these have really great benefits for the body. And then I also picked up the Matcha Reserve organic matcha. They are so well known for their matcha. It's super fresh, clean, and organic. They actually get their matcha from a Japanese farm and it is certified organic. So this is definitely the matcha that I always go for. It is amazing, and matcha has so many health benefits. I will list the health benefits that matcha has for our bodies. So I always recommend trying to add some sort of matcha into your diet. And then I also picked up, which I'm super excited about, the vanilla matcha, but I will share with you guys kind of like how I use all these things. Matcha Reserve has super healthy things, and if you're someone like me who wants to kickstart your health journey again, definitely recommend checking it out. I'll link everything down below, and they were actually nice enough to provide me with a huge discount for all of my subscribers. So if you click the link in the description box and check them out, you can get a huge discount. So I definitely recommend, if you're gonna get it now, because it is just such a great price. No morning would be complete with me. Oh, don't mind the ring light over there. No morning would be complete with me without having my morning coffee. It's coffee time. My favorite time. Ha 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 ha. Yes. I'm just gonna go for, is it an espresso kind of morning? Well, it's Monday. I kind of feel so. Have my coffee, and I'm just going to add the organic chaga powder into my coffee. So this is really great because it balances your mood, it increases energy, and it fights stress, and it also slows the aging process and regulates your blood pressure. So this is really great to add into coffee, tea, smoothies, or really any other food, but I really like to add this in my coffee. I just find it gives me a lot more energy, and it's also super great for you and has a lot of health benefits. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon. Then I'm going to just add some almond milk. Cheers. This mug perfectly describes me right now. Yes. I'm gonna go now and make my breakfast. So I'm gonna make some matcha oat pancakes. You can use just normal matcha powder, but to give it a little bit more flavor, I'm going to do the vanilla matcha, which tastes super yummy. I've showed this recipe before, but I just started to add matcha into my pancakes, and it has honestly made such a big difference. Let's go. These are all the ingredients you are going to need. To start off, I have about 1 cup of plain oats, and then all you need is 1 banana, but these bananas are super small and they're looking a little rough because they are starting to get old. So I'm just gonna use them up. And then all you need is 2 eggs, and then I just have my vanilla matcha. We're gonna use about 1 teaspoon of the matcha. And then also I have almond milk. Sometimes I add this in if I want it to be a little bit more creamy and not as thick the consistency. So I'll just like estimate on how much I'm gonna put in. I don't put too much almond milk. And this is what the matcha looks like. I'm gonna throw all my ingredients in and we're gonna start making breakfast. To oil our pan, I'm just taking some avocado oil. I just find this a little bit healthier. This is the completed recipe. You can put any toppings you want, but I honestly just like it plain because the vanilla matcha adds a lot of flavor into it. This is a super quick and easy, healthy recipe to make right in the morning. I definitely recommend these. I am going to do a first impression, so let's see how this first bite goes. Gotta fuel the body first with some coffee. First bite. It tastes so good with the vanilla matcha. Matcha pancakes are literally life. I'm gonna finish eating my breakfast, and then when it's lunchtime or if I have a snack here and there, I'm going to update you guys and show you what I'm going to be eating next. So it is currently lunchtime, so I am just making lunch right now, and I am making a burrito bowl. I am so into anything burritos, so I thought I would make a quick, healthy burrito bowl, and I will share with you guys it. So we just have the beans cooking, and then the rice is getting all nice and ready. I'm gonna be adding into the bowl, so I just have an onion, a tomato, and an avocado for some healthy fats. And then on top of everything, I am just going to throw in my chia seeds. I'm gonna go chop these up now, and then we'll get the whole bowl together. The effects of cutting onions. I swear I'm okay. Okay, back to it. To finish it off, I'm just gonna add some chia seeds, and chia seeds are really high in omega-3 fatty acids, and it's really gonna help to balance your energy, and as well as it's a really great superfood. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some on top of my burrito bowl. Chia seeds are great because they contain nearly 5 times more calcium than milk, and they are 3 times more iron than spinach. And to finish it off, I'm just going to spray some lemon. This is the finished burrito bowl. This is a great meal to take on the go or eat it at home. It's super yummy, filling, and healthy, and full of amazing things. I also ended up filling a tall glass of water because I like to always make sure that I'm drinking water throughout the day, and I'm just gonna squeeze over the leftover lemon that I squeezed in my meal and throw that in. Drinking lemon water is really great for your digestion, and there's just a ton of health benefits. So I usually like to put lemon, and also it gives a little bit more of a taste to your water. So I'm gonna finish this and I'll update you guys on the next thing that I eat. I'm probably gonna have a snack before I have dinner, so I'll update you guys then, and then we will cook dinner together. Update, so I am actually going to head to the gym super soon, and before I go to the gym, I kind of want a boost of energy so I can have a really good workout. So I like to have a matcha tea a lot of the times, and that's what I'm going to be making. I'm going to be making an iced matcha tea. You can have it either hot or cold, but today I just feel like I want a cold one, even though it is hella cold outside, but we'll ignore that. I'm just gonna use my organic matcha from Matcha Reserve. Like I said, their matcha is amazing. I'm going to also be adding some of my collagen into my matcha tea. I will link all the products, like I said, in the description box, so make sure you guys go check that out because they are just really great products if you are trying to get your health kick on like me. So that being said, let's make our matcha tea. Now I'm gonna add collagen. This is really great because it's going to help boost your metabolism, your muscle mass, and also give you energy. And it's also really great for your joints, your bone health, your liver, and your skin, hair, and nails. So I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon into the matcha. And this is tasteless, so you're not gonna taste anything, and it just has a lot more benefits. So I'm just taking some almond milk. Just drinking my matcha green tea, and then I'm gonna head to the gym, have a quick workout, and then we can come back home and continue the full day of eating. I am back from the gym and it was a good workout. I will link my come to the gym with me down below for you guys to kind of see what I typically like to do. Today has just been super comfy because literally I've been living in sweaters every single day since it is so cold outside now and the winter is definitely here, so gotta be cozy in my fuzzy sweater. Before I go ahead and make dinner, I am just going to eat a snack. So this is the snack. It is some dried crunchy, it's just some dried chickpeas. These are amazing. I recently discovered them and I actually bought them from Winners, which is kind of like Marshall's if you guys are from the States, but these are so good. They are the Bombay spice. They have such a nice spice to it and I love spicy food. I'm just gonna have about a 1/4 cup to, let's be real, 1/2 cup at least of these chickpeas. They're so amazing. Let me just open it now. This is just, oh, okay. Classy, keeping it classy up in here. This is what they look like. Focus on my crusty nails. Come on, there. This is what they look like. They are so good. I love crunchy food and I love spice, so this is just amazing. 6 grams of protein, so that's great to have protein after you went to the gym, so that's why I'm gonna munch on those, and then we're going to make some dinner. And for dinner today, I like to keep it more light during dinner time, so I'm going to make some lettuce tacos. Yes, so I'm gonna make some lettuce tacos. They're actually amazing. Instead of just having all those taco shells, you could just make your tacos in lettuce and it tastes actually really bomb. So tacos are also my weakness. There's like a theme here. I'm just really into the burritos and tacos lately. This is the finished lettuce tacos. You can obviously add more onto it. You can add salsa, whatever you really want as your toppings, but they are so yummy and I'm so excited to eat them. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love bringing you guys along and sharing with you what I eat in a day because I'm trying to continue this health journey. I want to stay accountable. It is wintertime and soon the holidays, and I find that's the hardest time to kind of stay fit, and if you're trying to lose weight, it becomes a little bit more difficult, but we are going to do this together. So don't forget to check thematchareserve.com down below. You guys can get an awesome discount, so definitely check it out now. I will also link my fitness playlist down below, so go ahead, binge watch all my fitness videos if you would like. Also follow me on my socials if you guys want to keep talking with me and catch up with me. I have Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and a Facebook page, but I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!